presenting an application called Lost Report. This is an application as a part of citizen-friendly policing. Hyderabad City Police launched this application in the year 2015. This is application we developed for ease of doing business and G2C service, government to citizen services. We have developed this service. This application facilitates the citizen of Hyderabad city for reporting to police about loss of documents or articles or missing of their documents or articles, to obtain a report from police for applying duplicate or claiming insurance. This is the main objective of this application. Earlier, the citizens of Hyderabad City Police used to apply this for this document. They're supposed to go to the Mi Seva Center or to the police station for apply these documents. They used to pay the service charges for to obtain the certificate from the Mi Seva Center. This was the cumbersome process to obtain the certificate to the citizens. Because of that, Hyderabad City Police developed an application that is a Lost Report. There is no need to physically, the citizen no need to physically interact with the police. They can apply with all the details I will just mention here. This is an application available in Play Store and App Store. The citizen application is available in Play Store and application. The user has to register himself with an email ID or phone number or Facebook in the application for enable them to report the police online about the loss of document or any article. This is the screenshot of the application. There's a Lost Report. They have to enter all the details of of their name, father's name, and their email ID, and the place of loss of their landmark and police station which comes under, and Aadhaar card number. These are the documents, the services available in the application. All the 27 services available. If they after entering all the details, the user can submit the details and get receipt of the confirmation into their mobiles through this app, and also to the respect to their email ID also. The entire this application will be looked after by the nodal officer. The additional DCP crimes will receive these complaints. He in turn verify the veracity of the complaint. There are different mediums are there where we'll verify through Aadhaar, their Aadhaar number, and we also verify that we have the database of all the database. Basing on that, the veracity, the officer will approve or reject the report. Basing on that. If approved, the user will immediately receive the digitally signed police report through this application and also through mail also. If rejected, the reasons for the rejection will be received through a mail. The timeline for entire service level agreement for this application only 3 working days. We will give that digitally signed report to the citizens. The highlights of this report is the digitally signed document they will get. The report will have photo of the applicant which is provided in Aadhaar database. We will match the Aadhaar number and name mentioned in Aadhaar card. We will mention in the digitally signed document also. Report will have unique verification key number for any future reference. We can see that is genuine certificate or not. We can check it also. The citizen can also know the report of the status through this application, where it is pending, how much time it will take, everything they know this status report. We have integrated the last report application to the Hawkeye mobile application, which was already available in both the mediums. So far the downloads in Hawkeye application, around 14 lakhs downloads are there. So far people approached us, 87,163 people applied through this last report application. We have issued so far 23,459 digitally signed certificate to the citizens. This application is more meant only for misplaced or lost articles in Hyderabad city, only which is not a crime. The theft cases we separately we deal under 379 IPC. We will issue an FIR. Otherwise, those documents which was lost or misplaced, only those articles we are giving a digitally signed certificates. Anyone misuses also, we have taken, anyone misuse the obtaining certificate by putting any, by submitting any false document or anything, they are liable for punishment under IPC also. We have, most of the people will apply for obtaining a duplicate certificates related to loss of their bank checkbook or passbook or bond certificates. Most of the 70% people are approaching us for the loss of their mobile phones to get that duplicate SIM card. And these are the major people are approaching us. Earlier, they used to visit the police station, and the minimum period they are able to get that certificate of 1 week or 10 days. We have to cut it down the days, and now we are issuing only within the 3 days without collecting service charges. We are issuing certificate, digitally signed certificate. The citizens are very happy for getting this certificate without the contacting police, visiting a police station, or contacting a police officer. That's all from my side, ma'am. Thank you.
So how many such certificates, do you have any statistics?
Yes, madam.
How many has been lost and how many issued in the last?
Yes, ma'am. So far, ma'am, the 87,163 such applications we have received so far, ma'am. In that we have issued, after verification, we only issued 23,459.
Mm-hmm. So why this number is not very high, almost 40%? A little less than 40%.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam. Most of they are not submitting their ID proofs properly. That is one of the major concern, major issue, ma'am.
No, in that case, may I suggest? See, that means it is actually, no, may I suggest something here? Because this is causing a lot of unnecessary work for you, because you have to check. So why don't you put up checklist? So unless until all the documents required are submitted, it should not be allowed to proceed. You know, then your work will be reduced digitally. They will be screened. If somebody is not submitting that, of course, still somebody submits a fake wrong ID, you can't help it, but at least the number will reduce.
Yes, madam. We have noted down your suggestions, ma'am. Somebody is submitting a duplication also, madam. That is the one of the reasons that
that you cannot avoid, but yes, that also you can avoid if you are going to use, you know, AI or something which will find out.
Yes, ma'am.
Or a machine language. If you add them, things can be refined much later, much better way. But still, that may take time. But at least this kind of validation check can be done that all documents needs to be submitted.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I think good job done. At least
this
is something which everybody needs. You know, losing your iCard in a pickpocket. Probably you can integrate with your petty case thing also.
We have already integrated with our Citizen Delight application, that is a Hawkeye application, ma'am. Already it is in.
Hawkeye, I thought, is a mobile app which you are doing for intimating SMS for citizens.
No,
that's what you said about that's what you said about the employment thing, or the job thing.
This is bundle of applications in one application, madam. There are so many applications which citizen wants.
No, I'm little surprised that you have not been able to issue or validate so many reports, because see, the similar application is running for the last 5 years in Delhi police for loss of PAN card, loss of passport, not for this thing, your normal documents. It is running. The moment you enter, you get the acknowledgement straight away. That certificate is issued and you can use it wherever it is required. So I don't think there should be any problem on that. And as far as the duplicate is concerned, whenever you are saying something is lost, it has a unique number. The passbook has a number of the account number. The PAN card has its own number. Aadhaar card has its own number. So you can always have a validation check on that particular thing. It should not be a problem.
Sir, can I add something, sir? This is Srinath, DSP, State IT Cell, sir.
Please.
Sir, this is related to, sir, after thoroughly studied with that Delhi app, sir. So after that only we have introduced this model here in Hyderabad, sir. So what happened, sir, in the Delhi app? It's a without any verification. Simply they are issuing all the loss certificates, sir. I've already discussed with the Delhi police also. They are unable to verifying this background check and other things, sir. For that verification certificate is most of the verification certificates they are not allowing. They are not. What is that? That sanity is missing there, sir. That's why what we did, sir, here the background check, we have a different background check with integrated with our last mobile application, sir. We have taken the help of this board, this internet board and all education boards and other different boards with certificates, APIs and integrated with our application. Whenever the certificate of education certificate or whatever identity, whatever it may be, so we will verify with the background check, and then only after background check only authentication of that background only we are issuing the certificate, sir. We are just restricted to take that much of flexible loss certificates, sir, because you know that in India most of the people misuse is misuse is here, lot of misuse is here, sir. That's why we have restricted to issue that loss certificates, but facilitating whoever genuine people are there, we are facilitating those whenever lost their education certificates, whatever identity cards, whatever it may be, we are issuing these applications, sir, through these applications.
No, because your received reports and certificate issued, that is, the figure is very skewed. It's very skewed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why, sir. Just only genuine people, we are after thorough checking only we are issuing, sir. Genuine people only we are issuing, sir. That is there, sir.
I see. See, every time when there are too many checks, then a lot of genuine people also suffer with that. So somewhere that balance has to be achieved.
Yes, sir.
And mostly these things are registered for driving license, PAN card, things of those type. Now, those things can always be reissued. Like PAN card can always be reissued n number of times without any problem. So
yes, sir. Yes.
If you have too many checks on that, it really does not make any sense. So I somewhere along the line, I feel the number of checks which have been there might be too many.
And yeah, because of our experience only, sir. That is only our experience, sir. Most of the times, what will happen, sir? Our people are unnecessary. That misusing is there. That's why that is there, sir. So we'll taken care of your suggestion also, sir. We'll reduce some checks, sir. We'll reduce some.
You know, it is always a cost of some misuse also. That also has to be done. You know, in our organization once, we said the petty cash will be done on self-approval. Above a certain level, it is a self-approval. So yes, we know there is certain level of misappropriation that can happen, but to check that, it's really not worth it also.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, because there are lots of other checks which are there, which takes care of those things.
Yes.
So your number is very, very skewed. So that's my only observation.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. We'll reduce some checks, sir. We'll take in your point, sir. We'll reduce some checks and make it as a balance, sir.
Yes, well, just balances out.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ma'am, regarding to your question to that, Haka is one of the mobile app. We have developed this completely citizen interface to
Okay, I do
all.
understand. No, it's okay. I understand. That time in passing, it was mentioned that for job contact through website is done. So I thought maybe
Yes.
you're using the platform only for informing the people, but it's a combined umbrella application. Fine,
Yes.
very good. I understand.